Okay, so we are at a sand and stone, kind of like a UPick kind of place, where you can come and fill up your own buckets and your own totes to get sand and stone. We've got 4 pans full of sand, and we're going to get a couple of more pans now full of crushed stone. This is going to be for the cement that we need in order to put a footing around the chicken coop. I'm going to move the truck in a second because we want to get a little bit more of this, more like a crushed stone kind of thing, because we've already got lots of sand. So I'll come back with another little clip in a few seconds. Okay, so this is like a mixture of sand and stone. It looks like this is mostly sand, mostly stone right there. So we'll get a combination of this stuff. Devon is filling up the buckets and I'm dumping them in these totes. It's a miserable old day here too, folks. It's raining showers in right now and it is a bit cold, but we'll get this all done. This is where we are. This is located in Gander. It's A&W Construction, and they provide this service for anyone who needs sand and stone and all that kind of stuff for your gardens and for your roadways and paths and stuff like that. So here we are. We'll be going and paying for this very, very soon. Okay, so that's what we got today. We got 4 fish pans full of sand, and we've got a couple, 2 more fish pans full of the mixed crushed stone, and we've got 2 buckets there full of crushed stone as well. So let me take you over and show you how this is paid for. It's an honor system, meaning that it's up to people to be honest, I guess. Deposit cashier. Here's how it works. $2 for a 5-gallon bucket. We've got 2 of those, so that's $4. $5 for a fish tub. We have 6 of those, so that's $30. So we hold this company and we just put our money into this little drop box here, and that's what I'm going to do now. I've got 2 20s here, 2 Canadian 20s, and I'm just going to put them in this lock box, just like that. And we have our sand and stone paid for from the A&W Construction Company. We are ready now to begin our cement and concrete project, which is next. It's a miserable whole day though, folks.